Assemble a prospective adoptive parents profile book. The purpose of the prospective adoptive parents profile book is to introduce you, the adoptive parents, to the birth parents. By perusing the pages of the profile book, the birth parents can have an initial view of your identity, what kinds of personalities you have, what your family is like, and what kind of environment you will put the child in. Although the profile book does not give detailed and extensive information, it can at least give the birth parents a glimpse of your character and personality, which can help them determine whether it is beneficial to place their child under your parenthood. Here are some tips on how to create a profile book. Hope these will give you the highest chance of adopting a child. Stick to non-formal, first-person perspective. While its purpose is seriously life-defining, the adoptive parent profile book doesn't have to be dead serious boring. It has to connect to birth parents, birth mothers specifically, who often have to deal with the adoption process. Use first-person voice and simple everyday words. This way, your profile book will sound more genuine and sincere. Write a letter to the birth mother. Adoptive parents' profile books are also often called Dear Birthmother letter because they usually have a letter addressed to the mother at the front page. This letter gives you a chance to introduce yourself and wish the mother good health. It is also directed at making her interested to further browse through the other pages of the profile book. Divide your profile book into sections. The profile book should be well organized, which is why it is necessary to divide it into 4 to 5 sections. The sections can focus on the description of the adoptive family, hobbies, careers, family travels, pets, religion, and the adoptive parents' parents and family. Keep the profile book interesting. The profile book doesn't have to be all text. In fact, you can make the profile book a photo essay of sorts. You simply paste pictures to each section and put interesting, quick-to-read captions. However, be sure to limit the number of pictures. Too many pictures in the profile book can somewhat be overwhelming and may give a cluttered look. Aside from photos, you can also embellish the profile book with materials that complement your profile book theme. For instance, if you choose SpongeBob as a theme, put SpongeBob stickers and yellow ribbons on the pages. Throw in some humor. Show the birth parents that you, as a family, appreciate life, and enjoy having some good laughs, so put funny pictures and captions in the profile. But try to be balanced. While you want to say you're a hilariously funny family, you also have to send the impression that you are caring and loving individuals, something that birth parents primarily look for. Put emphasis on honesty. You need to put your best foot forward, but that doesn't mean you have to lie. Remember to keep from making false claims and statements. Truth will surface in some unexpected way and might tarnish your reputation as prospective adoptive parents. Remember to edit and review your profile book before submitting it to an adoption agency. Look at it and read it with the eyes of a birth parent and see if you come across as good adoptive parents. It will help if you enlist the help of your friends. Ask them to review your profile book and solicit suggestions from them.